I'm in the. I came from actually from the product development background. Was a VP product in multiple more of an infrastructure layer, VPNs and proxies, and creating D2C or B2C products. With my latest one got 100 million downloads. But over the last couple of years, I'm doing more of marketing and product marketing, specializing in e-commerce and AI. And what we do in reviews is actually that. So we take AI, take all of this world data, all of this UGC data, apply machine learning and AI to turn crowd wisdom into actionable insights for brands to create better products. So whenever you go on Amazon and buy, I don't know, a shampoo or even or a wireless charger or new headphones, we allow brands to create products that customers like. And especially in our world where everything changed over the last 6 months, we see everything evolving so fast in the world of e-commerce. And 6 months ago, 7 months ago, a year ago, when you were looking to buy new headsets or new headphones, you go to a shop and you put on your headset and you put on the mic and tested it. But no one in their straight mind will go and check and put on a headset that 1,000 people wore on the same day. So they rely on reviews, and brands don't really know what customers need. So instead of doing focus groups and surveys, we take the crowd wisdom of people leaving reviews online, and we turn them into actionable insights.
Okay, I see. Now, Alon, first of all, I'm really interested. My team is working on the decentralized VPN. It's called Scale VPN. We're trying to spread that within the people around, because now virtual private network is not works as corporate network, as network where, I don't know, people in one company just connected with each other. It works as security, and it works as connection to another world, because I don't know how it's happened, but each and every country creates its own internet. And the second is about AI. You're talking about, I am running every weekly broadcast, and I called it AItalks, and it will be great to have you in one of the AItalks as host to talk about your product, with your team, and to spread information how AI looks like from your side, from your perspective. I'm talking about e-commerce. Am I right? Am I got that point right?
Yeah, exactly. So what we do is instead of every product has thousands of reviews and no one can read them all. But when you apply AI, it's a bit challenging because not every review is different, and a lot of people are sarcastic because there's always there's one review written on my wall about a vacuum cleaner, and someone told this brand, I would say this product sucks, but that would be a compliment. So and you have to understand how an AI can understand double meaning and sarcasm, and this is a really advanced math problem, because you have to understand that it's a negative sentiment with a positive meaning, and you have to train it. And we did something quite cool. Instead of relying on people to train data sets, we built algorithms with a neural network that teaches itself. So in the beginning, it has really low accuracy rate, and then it goes over the same data set. And so it's kind of an interesting technology in how it evolved.
Yes, I really got your point of view, because now the AI assistants are not going to be just just robots. They are not going to be just robots. They're trying to understand what human mean when, I don't know, want something, when want to find something, and when looking for something. Because when we are talking with each other, all that conversation is underlined somehow thoughts behind it. That's why, in my understand, AI going to that way, going to understand the right meaning or something to do. That's why you're going on, or you're going to you're going to work on that phrase, on that understandable AI, on that from people understandable thoughts released or works on AI. I'm sorry for my English. Maybe I'm not.
That's okay. I'm not a native speaker as well, so
Yeah.
it makes sense.
Maybe I can't explain my thoughts in the right way in English words because I don't have so much in there. I'm sorry. Okay,
But it's actually a good point, because when you buy something online, let's say you buy something from eBay or Amazon, you would write your not you, but millions of people like you or like me, where we're not native speakers, and we would write in a review or film ourselves. But it's not the same language, or it's a different tone and different language that a native speaker would give. And having an AI to understand native speakers is difficult, but try to see how difficult it is to understand the thoughts of non-native speakers. And that's actually a big challenge for every AI company, to not only understand the meaning behind the language and the sentiment behind it, but also understand accents and understand what people are talking about in other languages.
Completely agree with you, because now we are talking on the basic level. I clearly understand that we are, as not native speakers, talking on English on looks like some kind of basic level, and then when we are going deeply, we're trying to make that meaningful thoughts in much more understandable in our conversation as well. It will be great to see what's your platform about. Are you ready? Is it right time for you to present something or not?
Yeah, I can talk about and give some examples. I can't.
You are CEO of the product. You are CEO of that company or not?
No, I'm the CMO. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer.
It's right position to be presented.
Exactly. So yeah, for sure, I can get my team to create like a cool case study where we can see how our AI is tackling some nice variations and nice different niches. There's always examples like which I like to give about ketchup, for example. When you're in the food industry, ketchup is a taste or a supplement or a sauce. But what if you're in the laundry care industry? Then ketchup becomes a stain. So the same word on different topics gets a different meaning, and AI, and so we can talk about how AI is able to understand these cool things.
Good, very appreciated.